अमेरिका से अवैध प्रवासियों को भारत भेजे जाने की इस तस्वीर ने देश की राजनीति में भूचाल ला दिया है। तमाम विपक्षी सांसदों ने संसद से सड़क तक सरकार के खिलाफ मोर्चा खोल रखा है। बजट सत्र के 5वें दिन विपक्ष के तेवर को देखते हुए विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर ने इस मुद्दे पर जवाब दिया।
So the first issue which was raised by Mr. Surjewala, he said, do you know that 104 people were brought back yesterday? Of course we know. We were the people who verified the nationality. We were the people who gave the aircraft clearance for the flight to know. So yes, I know 104 people came back in 2014. I also know that 5 to 7 times that number came back in 2009, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So let us not make out as though this is something which is a new issue. This is an issue which was happening earlier. Second issue, sir. Many people ask me, where did we have consular access to these 104 or others who are in detention? In many cases, sir, consular access, embassy would like to have consular access to any Indian national, but that national has to request consular access. In many cases, they have not requested, so we were not aware. But in every case, we have obtained passport details, we have checked their verification, we have ensured that they are Indians, and we have had contacts to ensure that that is the case.
विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर ने साफ कहा कि अमेरिका से भारतीयों को पहली बार डिपोर्ट नहीं किया गया है। ये प्रक्रिया साल 2009 से लगातार जारी है। एस जयशंकर ने कहा कि हमारी सरकार कभी भी अवैध मूवमेंट के पक्ष में नहीं है। इससे किसी भी देश की सुरक्षा में खतरा पैदा हो सकता है।
Homeland Security Department data actually shows prior to 2014, their numbers, American numbers were actually close to 1,000. The numbers I have given, sir, as can be seen in the statement, are from the Bureau of Immigration. In many cases, possibly because if they were not issued emergency certificates, they may have been treated differently. Maybe they went to some other country. So I would say we should look at this in a overall manner, rather than try to make clever points about which year was a little higher than which year. Then, sir, the issue came about military aircraft being sent. Now, some other members also raised, have military aircraft been sent before. The procedure, sir, is we have looked at deportations for the last 15 years. It is up to the authority of the Immigration Customs Authority to charter an aircraft. It could be a military aircraft, but whichever aircraft comes in, it is under the authority of the ICE. The procedure, whether it was a military aircraft, whether it was a chartered aircraft, was exactly the same.
So we are protesting precisely this issue, that the manner in which the US did what they did was really unacceptable. We believe they have a legal right to deport people who are illegally in their country. And if they are proven to be Indian nationals, we have a legal obligation to admit them, to accept them in our country. But the manner in which it was done, in handcuffs, squeezed into a military aircraft, in such an abrupt manner, that is not acceptable. Under the Biden administration last year, 1,100 Indians were deported. There was no incident, no such humiliation, no problem. They came back and we were quietly able to reabsorb them back in their own country. Today, what we saw yesterday was really very difficult for us to swallow. As Indians, our self-respect is actually in peril here because of the way in which the manner in which this was conducted.
बता दें कि अमेरिका ने 104 अवैध अप्रवासी भारतीयों को भारत भेज दिया। इन्हें यूएस मिलिट्री के C-17 प्लेन से पंजाब के अमृतसर लाया गया, जहां सुरक्षा जांच के बाद सभी को घर वापस भेज दिया गया है। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, सूर्य समाचार।